Hey everybody, welcome back into the studio. It is currently Christmas Eve when I'm recording this, definitely not when I'm posting this, and I'm just about to get into my reformer workout. So, especially when things are busy during the holiday season, it is really easy to skip days, to not have time for things. So prioritizing my own practice is really important, especially being an instructor when you can get so busy teaching and planning classes that then your own practice becomes a lower priority. That can become a problem because your practice is so important for you as you go out in your teaching and you're loving Pilates and keeping yourself from becoming burnt out from the teaching grind and all of that. Practice is just really important to me, so I definitely need to make time for it, and I love to reserve an entire hour whenever I can, especially during the holiday season, for my own practice. So today I'm working on the reformer and I've got my Christmas lights on. I'm turning on Christmas music. This is a part of the happiness and fun of the season and time for me so that I can go forward feeling my best and having the best amount of energy for the rest of my day and for all of the fun and festivities to come. let's take just a moment for those misconceptions that Pilates is just stretching and you're not working hard or working up a sweat. Just go ahead and take a look at those sweat marks on my reformer, which are pretty dang typical for any session of Pilates that I do. Thanks for joining me today for this Pilates workout vlog on the reformer. I hope that you felt inspired to move, or maybe you found some movement that makes you want to jump on your reformer following watching this. My best advice for fitness is to find something that you love to do. So it's something that you look forward to, so you're just itching to do it. Workouts don't have to be this thing where we're like, oh my gosh, I have to motivate myself, I don't want to do it. It doesn't have to be that way. So find something, whether it's Pilates or anything else, you can fall in love with, that you can look forward to. And really work on that mental work yourself and changing the narrative in your head so it's not something that you have to do, it's something that you get to do. I am so thankful for my little Pilates studio and for the way that I get to move every day. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time in the studio. Of course, if you're looking for motivation for movement, or you've been considering purchasing a reformer or a springboard or a chair and you're not quite sure if you'll use it or what to do with it, I have a whole online studio just filled with classes that you could be doing a unique class every day. So if you're looking for a little bit more than you're finding here on my YouTube channel, you can join me on Patreon for my online studio where we've got flying classes all the time.